Hi there, Eve here. Today we're going to solve your Snapchat notification networking issues from your Android device. There could be many reasons as to know why you're having Snapchat notification issues on your device. Therefore, we are going to show you 4 ways to solve your issues. To be honest, solving these issues is pretty quick and easy. So, let's jump right in. First solution, open the Snapchat apps. Tap on Profile. Tap Setting. Tap Notification. Turn on all the setting. If those setting already turn on, then turn them all off and on. Second solution, open Setting. Scroll down, tap on App, tap Manage Apps, find Snapchat. Tap on Notification, enable all the notification. Go back from here. Tap on Battery Server. Tap on No Restriction. Third solution, open Setting. Tap on Battery and Performance. Turn off the battery saver for solution. Fourth solution, open Play Store. Search Snapchats. Tap on that, tap uninstall, tap on install. After that, set up your Snapchat, and after that your problem will be solved and the notification will start to appear on your device. Thanks for watching.